Welcome to the Most Hub, where we bring you the most luxurious and extravagant things in the world. Today we're going to take you on a tour of Italy's most beautiful and expensive home. Living in Italy is all about indulging in the finer things in life and enjoying the beautiful Italian lifestyle. So let's start our tour of the 5 most luxurious houses in Italy, a country renowned for its stunning architecture, breathtaking landscapes, and unparalleled beauty. Today we'll be exploring all the luxury properties, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the glittering shores of the Amalfi Coast. Italy is a country that embodies style, elegance, and luxury. But nothing quite compares to the stunning villas that dot the shores of the Lake Como. We're kicking off our tour with the villa on the Lake Como, which is on the 5th spot on our list. This stunning property is worth 19 million euros and is owned by Sir Richard Branson of the Virgin Group. Lake Como is famous for its stunning views and luxurious villas, and this villa definitely lives up to its reputation. The villa is situated on the edge of Lake Como and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and the lake itself. This 18th century villa has been fully restored to its original grandeur, with 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms that offer panoramic views of Lake Como. It also features a swimming pool, private dock, and a perfectly manicured garden. But wait, that's not all. To sweeten the deal, the villa also comes with its own personal butler and chef, ensuring you have the ultimate luxury experience during your stay. And at number 4 on our list is the stunning villa in the Positano, priced at 21.5 million euros. This breathtaking villa is owned by none other than the Italian businessman and fashion designer Gianfranco Ferré, and offers incredible amenities that are fit for royalty. The villa boasts a breathtaking view of the Amalfi Coast, with its terrace gardens, olive groves, and stunning infinity pool. Not to mention, the villa is surrounded by crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches, making it the perfect place for a luxurious getaway. The villa has played host to many famous faces over the years, including George Clooney, Jennifer Aniston, and Julia Roberts. In fact, it's rumored that Justin Theroux and Jennifer Aniston even got married here in a secret ceremony. It's also been the site of several high-profile events, such as fashion shows and movie premieres. But this Positano villa is not just known for its celebrity connections. It's also been the subject of some controversy. In 2019, local authorities ordered the villa to be seized due to alleged building violations. The case is still ongoing, but regardless, this villa remains one of the most luxurious homes in Italy. Despite the controversies, the villa in Positano remains one of the most luxurious homes in Italy. And it's easy to see why. Its stunning views, luxurious amenities, and high-end design make it the perfect spot for anyone looking for a lavish escape. So, if you have 21.5 million euros to spare, this villa could be yours. Our next spot is the Emanor Cortona, which comes in at number 3 on our list of the 5 most luxurious homes in Italy. The stunning estate, valued at 23.5 million euros, is owned by none other than the American actor, director, and producer, Francis Ford Coppola. This luxurious villa boasts of an exquisite garden, 5 bedrooms, a grand swimming pool, and a private tennis court. What makes this villa truly stand out is its stunning view of the Tuscan hills and vineyards. But that's not all. Rumor has it that the villa also houses a secret underground tunnel that connects to an old church nearby, adding to the mystery and intrigue of this already fascinating property. While some may argue that this mansion is too grand for just one family, we think it's the perfect spot for those who love privacy and luxury. Now at number 2 on our list, we have the castle near Arezzo, which is worth a staggering 35 million euros. This magnificent castle is owned by Italian fashion designer Roberto Cavalli and boasts 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a swimming pool, and breathtaking views of the Tuscan hills. It is said that Cavalli fell in love with the castle's medieval architecture and decided to make it his own. But that's not all. There's been some controversy surrounding the castle as well. It is rumored that Cavalli has been trying to sell the property for some time now, and even listed it for 40 million euros at one point. Some say that the price tag is too high, while others argue that the castle is worth every penny. Despite the controversy, the castle has seen its fair share of high-profile guests over the years, including celebrities like Jennifer Lopez and Mark Anthony. It's not hard to see why. With its stunning views and luxurious amenities, this castle is truly fit for royalty. We've made it to the top of our list, and we're excited to show you the most luxurious home in Italy. The exquisite manor in Florence that comes with a hefty price tag of 48 million euros, and it is owned by the Ferragamo family. Yes, you heard that right, the family behind the famous luxury fashion brand, the House of Ferragamo. This beautiful estate sits atop a hill in the Tuscan countryside, and it spans over 11,000 square feet. The manor boasts an impressive 10 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, a spa, a gym, a cinema room, a wine cellar, and even a helicopter pad. One of the most impressive features of this home is the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. From the terraces to the balconies, you can see the rolling hills and the beautiful countryside that Tuscany is known for. There have been several rumors and controversies surrounding the Ferragamo family and their property. One of the most well-known is that the family had to fight off a group of local farmers who were trying to take over the land on which the manor was built. Despite the controversies, this luxurious manor in Florence has been a popular destination for celebrities and high-profile guests. In fact, the famous American director Francis Ford Coppola was once a guest at the estate and even shot a scene from his film, The Godfather Part 3, in the manor's garden. So that was our tour of the 5 most luxurious homes in Italy. From the stunning villa at Lake Como to the breathtaking manor in Florence. Each of these homes is a true testament to the beauty and grandeur of Italian architecture. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on our upcoming content. Give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who love luxury homes and may want to learn about Italian architecture. And as always, feel free to comment below with your suggestions for our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.